Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Vikram. In this class, we'll try to understand programming practice. So previous classes also we have discussed some of the programming practice, and this video is our fourth video on programming practice on operators. So these are the three programs that we are going to discuss, and the concepts related to these programs has already been discussed. Please watch our previous video. So for better understanding, every video in our channel is going to be a part of entire course or a playlist. Our suggestion is to follow the entire course so that you can have better understanding of the concepts, and the link for the playlist is provided in the description. Now coming to this first program, so what is the output that is generated by this program? Please pause this video for a while and try to get the output. Try to think of the output, all these three outputs, and later watch this video. So what is the output that we are going to get from this program? So the output means it is going to generate an error. So what is the error that is generated? Here we have discussed the rules for declaring the variables. Whenever we try to declare a variable, then we should be very careful. There are some set of rules which we have already discussed. So in that rule, it states that a variable should either start with an alphabet. The first letter of the variable should be an alphabet, or it should be an underscore. Other than this, whatever we give, it is going to generate, whatever the character that we give, it is going to generate an error. So that is the rule that needs to be followed. So it is going to produce an error. So we are going to get these kind of questions in placements. Okay, so the next one is this program. So what is the output that is generated by this program? The output that is generated is, it is not going to generate any output, so it is going to produce an error. So what is the error that it is going to generate? Here the default, the variable name default is a keyword. So far we haven't seen the keyword called default. In our later coming classes we are going to get that default keyword. And what is the so as we have discussed it, that the rule says that we should not use keywords as the names of the identifiers. So based upon that rule, so it is going to generate an error. Okay, so coming to this program, so what this program is going to generate? Is it going to produce an output, or is it going to produce an error? See here, the declarations are 1, 2, 3. So is it a valid declaration? Yes, it is a valid declaration. So C allows these kind of declarations or initializations of variables. So how the C program will react for this kind of declarations is, here among these operators is equal to assignment operator, parenthesis operators, and comma operators. Among these three operators, which one is having highest precedence? The parenthesis is having highest precedence. So within this we are having comma operator. All the operators are of same precedence. So the comma operator is having an associativity. Whenever the operators are having same precedence, then we go for associativity. What is the associativity of a comma operator? Please check the precedence table. The associativity is from left to right. So it will go from, the compiler will go from left to right. So whatever the variable that is encountered at the last, so which is 3, first it is going to check for 1 value of the variable 1, next 2, next 3. So with that we are going to end. So at this end we have identified 3, and this 3 will get assigned. So parenthesis is having highest precedence. Within this we are having a comma operators. So after this it will come for assignment operator. Now what happens is, this 3 will get assigned to A, and what is the output of this program? Output of this program is 3. Okay, so these are the some complex declarations, complex programs that we need to understand. Not complex, simple, but points that we have to understand. Let's try to execute these programs on our computer and check what is the output that is generated. Here are the programs. This is our first program. Let's try to compile this program, and we are going to generate an error. See here, so these declarations, expected identifier, so the identifiers are not valid identifier declarations. And the next one is default. This program also we have seen. See here, it is also generating expected identifier or bracket before default. So this is not a valid identifier. The third program, see here, in this we have declared 1, 2, 3, compile this and let's execute it. And the output is, it is going to generate an output of 3. It is going to generate an output of 3, as we have discussed about this concept. So these are some of the programming practices. Hope you got the clarity on this concept. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. And if you have any doubts regarding this concept, please post your doubt in the comment section below. And if you feel that this video is helpful to you, please give us a like symbol and please share this video with your friends so that they will also get benefited. Thanks for watching.